ducklings went out to play, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," but only 4 little ducklings came back. Four little ducklings swam in the sea, splashing water, happy as can be. Mother duck called, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," but only 3 little ducklings came back. Three little ducklings played peekaboo, hiding behind the grass so new. Mother duck cried, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," but only 2 little ducklings came back. 2 little ducklings chased the sun, waddling fast and having fun. Mother duck called, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," but only 1 little duckling came back. 1 little duckling, all alone, looked around and missed his home. Mother duck cried, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," but none of the ducklings came back. Mother duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck called, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," and all 5 ducklings came waddling back.